Are you looking for a large hexagon Lighthouse Light Kit for your lawn or garden lighthouse? If so, we have it, and we're going to show you why they are the perfect top assembly for our do-it-yourself customers. And we're starting right now. What's going on? My name is Kevin and welcome to Lighthouse Man TV, where we make detailed product videos to help inform you, our customers, so you get exactly what you're looking for. In this video, we're going to go over our large hexagon Lighthouse Light Kit 02 and why our do-it-yourself customers love this light. Now, if you're like most of our customers, you're here because you're looking for that perfect lighthouse top that will separate your DIY garden lighthouse from all others. Our lighthouse tops feature both quality and authenticity that just can't be beat. Each top is made from cast aluminum and comes standard in factory black, thus making them highly weather resistant and maintenance free. Light Kit 02 features a very attractive and authentic 6-sided design. It also comes standard with a high quality beveled glass panels for added detail. Each unit is designed with a removable roof so you can easily access your interior lighting source to change out light bulbs or do routine maintenance. The width of this top assembly measures 9 inches wide and features 3 internal mounting brackets, so all mounting screws are totally hidden inside the top housing. The overall height of this unit is 16 inches high, and again, this comes standard in factory black. Now please note, these light kits do not include an internal lighting fixture. Thus, you will need to either add your own light source, or you can always upgrade your order and go with one of our revolving beacons, solar beacons, or an authentic electric or low voltage Fresnel lens. Again, these are all accessories that you can add to your order. So again, if you're building your own lighthouse and you really want to add that wow factor or separate your lighthouse from all others, then order your Lighthouse Light Kit today from the Lighthouse Man. If you liked this video and found it informative or helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Again, we make detailed product videos to help inform you, our customers, so you get exactly what you're looking for. Remember, the Lighthouse Man is the leading manufacturer of custom crafted lawn lighthouses and lighthouse accessories. Thanks again for watching, and God bless.